Ugh. Oh, my head. Oh! Ah! What the? Wait, where? What? I'm in a box! Oh, no. No! Not the box. Oh, no, they can't transfer me. Not me. Oh, I can't breathe. Darkness creeping in. I can't breathe. Walls closing in around me. So alone. Alex! Oh.
Alex, are you there?
Marty?
Yeah! Talk to me, buddy.
Oh, Marty, you're here.
What's going on? Are you okay?
This doesn't look good, Marty.
Alex? Marty, is that you?
Gloria!
You're here too.
I am loving the sound of your voice.
What is going on?
We're all in crates.
Oh, no!
Oh, sleeping just knocks me out.
Melman!
Is that Melman?
Are you okay?
Yeah, no, I'm fine. I often doze off while I'm getting an MRI.
Melman, you're not getting an MRI.
CAT scan?
No CAT scan. It's a transfer. It's a zoo transfer.
Zoo transfer? Oh, no, I can't be transferred. I have an appointment with Dr. Goldberg at
Melman.
5. There are prescriptions that
Melman.
have to be filled.
Calm
No
down,
other zoo
Melman.
could afford my
Relax.
medical
Calm
care.
down,
And
Melman.
I am not going HMO.
Take it easy, Melman. It's gonna be okay. We are going to be okay.
No, Marty, we're not going to be Okize. Now, because of you, we're ruined.
Because of me, I fail to see how this is my fault.
You're kidding, right, Marty?
You ticked off the people. You bit the hand, Marty. You bit the hand. I don't know who I am. I gotta go find myself in the wild.
Hey.
Oh, please.
I did not ask you to come after me. Did I?
He does have a point.
What?
I did say we should stay at the zoo, but you guys...
Melman, just shut it. You're the one that suggested this whole
Alex,
idea to him in the first place.
Leave Melman out of this, please.
Thank you, Gloria. Besides, Alex, it's not my fault that we were transferred.
Melman, shut it. Does anybody feel nauseous?
I feel nauseous.
Melman, you always feel nauseous.
Progress report.
It's an older code, Skipper. I can't make it out.
You, higher mammal. Can you read?
No, Phill can read, though. Phill? Ship to Kenya. Wildlife Preserve, Africa.
Africa? That ain't gonna fly. Rico!
I was the star in the greatest city on earth.
Guys,
a
listen.
king,
Okay,
loved
look.
by my people.
Let's just be
and
civil.
you ruined everything.
Love?
Guys,
If
guys.
the people loved you,
Quit it
it's
up
only
there.
because they didn't know the real you!
Don't make me come up there. I'll get the whooping on both of
Oh,
y'all.
I thought I knew the real you. By the way,
let's
Marty,
just talk
your black
about
and
it
white
like
stripes, they cancel each other out.
Status.
It's no good, Skipper. I don't know the codes.
Don't give me excuses. Give me results. Navigation. All right. Let me see. And shut him up.
I did it!
Let's get this tin can turned around.
Guys? Gloria! Melman! Marty!
Alex!
Marty!
Alex!
Marty! No! Wait! Come back, Marty! Don't go. Marty? Melman? Gloria? Marty! Melman! Gloria! Marty! Ah! Oh. Melman! Gloria! Oh. Ah! Ah! Hey! Anyone! Hello!